Hi everyone. I am Arun Julka. Today we will discuss the purpose and advantages of flipped classroom. The purpose of the flipped classroom is to improve student access to content while reversing traditional roles of learn at college and practice at home to learn at home and practice at college. This allows teachers to support students as they attempt to work with and through the new material introduced at home or through video. The flipped classroom model has several advantages, including increased student engagement. By watching lectures at home, students can pause, rewind, and review the material as needed, which can lead to better understanding and retention. Active learning. In a flipped classroom, students are more actively involved in their own learning as they are required to engage with the material before class, which can lead to deeper understanding. Personalized instruction. With the flipped classroom model, teachers have more time to work with students individually and in small groups, which can lead to more personalized instruction. Flexibility. The flipped classroom model allows for more flexibility in how and when students learn, making it easier for them to fit education into their busy schedules. Self-paced learning. Students can take lectures at their own pace and at their own convenience, which can lead to more efficient learning and a better understanding of the material.